Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell fractional shares in Webull. Fractional shares allow you to buy and own a portion of a stock, making it more accessible to investors with limited capital. To sell fractional shares in Webull, start by logging into your account and navigating to the portfolio page. This is where you can view all your current holdings, including fractional shares. First, locate the stock you want to sell and click on it to open the details page. On this page, you will see the current price of the stock, as well as the number of shares you own, including any fractional shares. To sell your fractional shares, click on the Trade button and select Sell. Next, enter the number of shares you want to sell. Since you are selling fractional shares, you can enter a decimal value representing the portion of the stock you want to sell. For example, if you own 0.5 shares of a stock and you want to sell all of it, you would enter 0.5 in the sell window. After entering the number of shares, you can choose the type of order you want to place. Webull offers several order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop limit orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute at a specified price or better. Once you have selected your order type, review your order details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the number of shares you are selling, the order type, and the price. If everything looks good, click Confirm to submit your order. Your sell order will then be executed, and the proceeds will be deposited into your Webull account. You can view the status of your order and the details of the transaction on the Orders page. It is essential to keep in mind that selling fractional shares may result in a partial fill if the market is not liquid enough to support the full sale of your shares. In conclusion, selling fractional shares in Webull is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and understanding the basics of fractional shares and order types, you can easily sell your fractional shares and manage your portfolio effectively. Remember to always review your order details carefully before submitting a trade to ensure you are getting the best possible price for your shares.